Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to create reusable subscription plans in WooCommerce instead of configuring subscription options for every product individually like this. You can create global subscription plans once and reuse them across your entire store. Let's get started. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Subscriptions, Global Plans. Here you can create reusable subscription plans. Click Add Plan. Our first plan is Starter. Customers will be billed $19 every month. We'll add a $5 sign-up fee and we'll offer a 7-day free trial. And never stop renewing until the subscription is cancelled. Next, let's create the professional plan. This plan costs $39 every month. We'll offer a $5 sign-up fee and a 7-day free trial. Finally, let's create the agency plan. Customers will pay $79 every month. We'll include a 30-day free trial together with a $19 sign-up fee. Once all plans are configured, save the changes. Now let's create our subscription product. Go to Products, Add New. We'll call it Website Maintenance. Add your product description as usual. Add product image. Now scroll down to Product Data. Enable Subscription. We will disable one-time purchase option. Check Variable Plan option. If you want to create individual subscription plans for each product, click Add Plan. However, here we will use the global plan we just created for this product, so click Check Global Plan option. Publish and let's view the product. Customers can immediately choose between Starter, Professional, or Agency option. With global plans, you define your plans once and reuse them everywhere. If you ever need to change pricing, you only update the global plan and every linked product stays consistent. Let's choose the Starter subscription. Proceed to check out. Let's place the order. You can immediately see the subscription status, the next payment date, and the billing cycle. Customers can also manage their subscription anytime from the My Account page. Here they can view subscription details, update their payment method, renew manually if needed, or cancel the subscription. And that's how easy it is to create reusable subscription plans in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.